Hi, I'm Doug and I'm your tech support representative for Atlantic British, and we want to do a little video to show you a very unique product that we have, a very time and money saving product. Now, in a lot of cases, if you're a restorer or if you just want to simply update or upgrade your Land Rover, especially in the case of the Defenders, we have a product that can save you a lot of time and money. In most cases, they have a tendency that even though the rest of the frame is good, they like to rot in areas right where the bumper inserts are and in the areas close to the middle, and they will rot right through. Now, this is our Project Defender, which those of you that have been following us on our Facebook page have seen that we've put a lot of time and effort into bringing this up to par. Now, one of the issues that we had was just that. The rest of the frame was in beautiful condition, but we had rotted through the rear cross member. Now, normally it's one of two choices. You can either try to cut the rust out and patch in new pieces, in which case you still have to drop the fuel tank and the cradle to be able to access it and be able to weld safely in it. The other choice, obviously, is the entire frame, which is a huge undertaking. And some of you out there that may have done them already understand how many hours you can put into doing a frame replacement. We offer a third. What we have is a rear cross member replacement that can be welded in place of the original. After you drop the tank on these, no matter what, you have to drop the tank. So either way, it's something inevitable and you're going to have to do. But once the tank is down, you can simply cut at the end of the existing frame rails, and these slip joint that we welded onto the back of the cross members will slide over the frame, can be welded in place, and you end up with results like this. Nice and smooth, as new, beautiful condition. And then you can see all the bolt holes line up, so it's an easy reinstallation of the rear bumper once you get everything back in. Now you can take a look up underneath and you can see how clean an application this is. The gussets are already in place. So we wanted to make you aware of this. Now, those of you who have noticed, this is not the direct application that I have here for this vehicle. This is strictly for demonstration purposes, so you can see what we've done to be able to create this kind of product. So if you're doing an upgrade or you're restoring an old Defender, not only do we have the rear bumpers, we have a number of parts that will help you do such that, and then come spring, you'll be in perfect shape to be on the road again. So again, my name is Doug. I appreciate you tuning in, and if you need any other information, you can talk to any of our knowledgeable salesmen. 1-800-533-2210. Have a good day.